Welcome to the latest audit report from AuditOne, the leading authority in smart contract security and integrity. Today, we're diving into our recent audit of the Soonaverse plugin smart contracts, conducted between March 6th and April 6th, 2023. Our dedicated team, comprising experts Sanara Jain, Jonah Tascam, and Parth Patel, performed an exhaustive manual analysis of the codebase provided by our client. The results of our comprehensive review are in. The security score reached a perfect 100%, with code quality at 98% and documentation quality at 95%. Our analysis uncovered 1 high-severity issue, 4 medium-severity issues, and 2 low-severity issues. Let's delve into the specifics of these findings and our recommendations for each. Initializers could be front-run. In the best case, it will be forcing a redeployment. AuditOne's recommendation: make the initialize function executed in the same transaction. The function getCurrentPeriod returns wrong value, which results in staking before start date. If block.timestamp start date, then the function returns 0, while it also returns 0 if block.timestamp start date period length. Later claimer might not be able to claim reward. User will not be able to claim reward. Loop should not go beyond reward periods. It's not guaranteed that users will receive the rewards. It is possible for the users to not receive any reward. It is recommended to add functionality into initialize to validate the rewards sent to the staking contract and add another function to retrieve not used rewards after the expiring date. Users can stake for more than 52 weeks. We recommend to add a max cap to reward periods if the intention is to have a maximum of 52 weeks. Unsafe ERC20 methods. The contract will malfunction for certain tokens. Consider using safe ERC20 for transfer from, transfer, and approve. Both start date and end date should not be inclusive for staking. AuditOne's recommendation is to exclude the end date while staking. AuditOne's detailed analysis ensures that Soonaverse plugin smart contracts are fortified against potential vulnerabilities, enhancing their security and efficiency. For the full report and more details on our findings, visit our website. Click the link below for more details. AuditOne, your trusted partner in blockchain security.